results and get paid. Our beta user generated $3,500 in 7 days by offering this service. Now you can too. Create personalized booking pages for any service-based business. Customize your appointment schedule and booking page in just one click. Share your smart booking link to accept bookings on social media, email or any other platform. Send notifications to remind customers about their appointments and to offer deals, coupons, discounts. Accept on offline payments from your customers using PayPal, Stripe or accept cash card on site using our POS system. Offer virtual appointments and online consultations. Free commercial license. Offer managing booking and appointment as a service to local businesses to earn any side income. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Even with no experience in selling booking services, Raymond saw huge results in just a test run with EZLocal. Get new leads and generate sales in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Set. Create a booking or appointment with just 3 clicks. Share. Share your booking page URL on any social platform, website, email for others to book your services from anywhere in the world. Step 2. Grow. Grow your business with tons of qualified leads, sales and profit. Step 3. Grow. Grow your business with tons of qualified leads, sales and profit. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses, free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.